What's going on, world? It's me, Andre Cat, down here from West Palm Beach, Florida. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to break down a trade that I took from what I learned inside of ScalpersRUs by MambaFx. And basically what he teaches is breakout patterns, okay? He teaches breakout patterns, and he also shows you different other strategies and different technical analysis that you can do as well. But this morning, right, I'm gonna also give you guys some value as well. There's a app that you can also look at to tell where the market is going to be heading as well. So, but as you can see right here, let me see if I can make it a little bit smaller so you guys can see. I have an indicator, right? But you can do this yourself. You can. This is simple. You can draw your trend line right there, and then I have a a trend line at the top right here, and then there's another trend line at the bottom right here. Okay, but let me make this a little bit bigger. Let me show you something real quick, guys. This is why you're gonna want to get his course. His course is amazing. I learned a lot. But I'm on the 5-minute chart. Of course, you might want to look at your your daily, your 4-hour, your 1-hour, and see where the overall trend is going to be heading. But when it comes to scalping, and when it comes to what he's teaching in his course, when it comes to scalping, you want to take your trades on the 5-minute, either on the 5-minute or the 1-minute. Okay. So basically, this morning, right, at the market open, right, around 9:30, right, I had got a sell signal right here, right. And as you can see, there was a long candle right here. I got in like right here before it passed my trend line, but as you can see on the bottom right here, there's a trend line. I got a sell signal, so I got in a trade like right here, and it basically bounced off of my 50 EMA right here. I got in a sell right here. It passed my trend line, right? I got in another trade like around right here. So it came down here, touched my zone right here, came back up and retest my 50 EMA right here, or moving average in right here. And it just dropped. Okay, it just dropped. Another reason why I took this sell, right, is because I have an app. It's called CNBC app. All right, I'm sure there's other apps, right, other apps out there that you can use, to look at this information. But I created a watch list called Nas 100 Movers, and I added some of the the stocks that's that's related to the Nas 100 and US 30. Right, the Tesla and the Amazon is going to be your two main stock that you want to be looking at. Okay, but as you can see, everything is red on my list right here. I could have added more to the list, but this is what I have on my list so far. But you could add more, but as you can see, every stock right here is in the red right now. And I think the Dow Jones dropped 300 points just to start off the week as well. I got a notification as well. Matter of fact, I posted it on Facebook. Let me go on Facebook real quick. I'm gonna show you guys what I posted. Let me go to my profile. Let me see. Yeah, show you guys what I got. All right, cool. So as you can see, look at this. I posted this earlier, right? I got remember I just showed you that I just got a sell signal. Boom. It came down. I got in another trade right here once it passed the trend line right there. And I got it. And as soon as I got that sell signal, I got a notification from my CNBC app saying that Dow drops 300 points to start the week. Okay, so that's another confirmation right there for me to be in a sale. And then I checked my watch list, everything is in the red. That's another confirmation for me to get in the sale. And it's still dropping, guys. As you can see, this is live right now. It's still dropping right now as I'm doing this video, and I'm actually still in a trade. Let me see. Look at this. Look at this real quick. Hold on. Oh, look at this. Let me see. So guys, I want to show you something. I am still. You can see that I am still in a trade right now. I look like I'm up like $16,000 right now. So, like I'm up big right now. I'm up like $15,000, $16,000 right now. In my Nas and US 30 trade right now. Okay. And if it breaks this zone completely, I think it's gonna continue to drop. That's my thing. But I have other indicators that also helps me to determine where the market is, or where the trend is, and where the market is gonna be heading. I have this TDI down here, and it's below the 50 right here. That's another indicator that I use that kind of tell me where the trend is heading. But if you see this sell right here, the RSI is the green line right here. It passed through my liquid 50, my yellow line liquid 50 here. So that's another confirmation right there that I should be in a sale or in a trade for a sale. And but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Let's look at US 30. All right, US 30 is dropping as well. Same. Usually when Nas 100 and or US 30 is in a sale, then Nas 100 is going to be selling as well, and US 30 is going to be selling as well. But as you can see, this another thing that's be helping me out is my moving averages, my EMAs here. As you can see, this yellow line right here is my 8 EMA. This red line is my 21 EMA. This blue line right here is my 50 EMA, and then this right here is my 66 moving average right there. And then this purple line is my 800 EMA. Okay, so as you can see, once I got the sale right here, all right, this is US 30 by the way. All right, got a sale right here. All right, it broke my trend line. Right, I looked at some of these stocks right here, all of them in red. That's another confirmation right there. And then also I'm looking at my TDIs below the 50. That's another confirmation right there. And as you can see, it's just respecting my 8 EMA. It's just respecting it. It's just bounce. Soon, every time it go down, come back up, touches it, bounce back off. Come back up, touch, bounce back off. Bounce back off. Now it may come back up here and touch this 21 EMA, but it's gonna boom come back down. So it's like that's how I use these moving averages and EMAs. I'm looking for the bounce. All right, I'm looking for the bounce. This also can help me determine where my stop loss is gonna be as well, or where I want to put my stop loss at. But by you using the moving averages and EMAs, this can help you out a lot. Okay, because if you see a trend right here and it's continuing to respect a certain moving average or EMA, like that means it's a trend happening right there. Like you want to ride the trend. Okay, and like I said, this will help a lot. If you see that everything is in red, it's going to help you a lot when it comes to your your trades. Okay, so this might come back up and touch this 21 EMA, and then I feel like it's just going to touch it and then it's going to come back down. But that's that. I just wanted to show you guys my trade when it comes to the Nas 100 and the US 30 trade. But guys, it's real simple. Like I said, inside the ScalpersRUs course, yes, I have bought the course. In the side of ScalpersRUs course, he shows you how to draw your trend lines and draw your patterns. Whenever he shows you how to recognize different a triangle pattern, and if it breaks to the low or the high, then you want to get in. All right, you want to get in. Of course, you want to look at the the daily, the 4 hour, 1 hour, to see where the overall trend is going to be heading, where the market is going to be heading. But at the same time, you want to also see what the stocks are doing, what the stock market is doing, Wall Street is doing, because that could also give you extra confirmation. Okay, but anyways, I think I'm talking too much. I just wanted to break down my trade that I took this morning on the open, and that's what I've been doing. Like on, he teaches you as well to only trade Nas 100, US 30 in the New York session. Okay, you want to trade each pair in the right sessions. Okay, like CAD JPY, he talks about that. You want to only trade that in the Asian session because it has a JPY pair, connected to it. You know what I'm saying? You want to trade the gold pairs during New York session. You want to trade those certain pairs in the right sessions. Okay, that's another thing too as well. But yeah, I've been for the last week or two, I've been trading the open. I've been doing what I've been learning inside of ScalpersRUs course. It's a scalping course. Basically, all I'm doing is just scalping the market, doing scalping Nas 100, US 30 during the New York open session, and I'm looking for breakout patterns. That's all I'm doing, and you'll learn all of that inside of ScalpersRUs. All right, I'm gonna leave a link to that course in the description box below. Right now, you can get it for $397, and then or you can do a 3 payment, 100 for 160. But with that being said, I also want to leave you with this, guys. I have a gold only trading bot. All right, I have a bot that only trades gold and is doing pretty awesome. What I'm doing is I'm allowing people to try this bot out for free for 1 week, And if you like the results and you want to continue to use a trading bot, then it's only a one-time fee of $300. As you see the results right here so far, this bot has already done 407%, made almost 200 and something $1,000. Like, this is insane. So as you can see, the months right here in April did 74%, May 20. This is of this year, all right, April of this year, and May of this year 45%, June 37%, 20% in July, and then so far this month we already up 20%. All right, this month. So if you're looking for a trading bot that's doing that's producing consistent results, then I have this bot for you to try out for 1 week. All right, it only trades gold, and I'm gonna allow you guys to try it out for 1 week. And if you like the results that you're getting, you can go ahead and pay the one-time fee of $300, and I would go ahead and set you up for the lifetime access, and you can start getting results whenever this bot start trading. Like this bot is, man, all I gotta say, this bot is fire, man. This bot is fire. So, but I do have another bot, but with this one, you have to have a minimum of $10,000 in your trading account, and the minimum deposit is going to be going up at the end of this month. All right, so September the 1st, the minimum deposit is going to be $50,000. Right now, it's $10,000. The minimum deposit is $10,000. So if you have a minimum of $10,000 that you can trade with, I highly recommend that you use this bot. All right, please use this bot. All right, because this bot right here, you're not going to go into no more than 2% drawdown. This has a 3-year track record as well with the main trading bot. But this guy right here, he deposited $1 million in his $1 million into this account, and he has already did 29% already, and he has already made $287,000. And he started this account July the 1st of this year. July the 1st of this year. And he has already done 29% and has already made $287,000. And as you can see, it's just going up and up and up and up and up and up. As you can see, the consistent of this trading bot is amazing. It's amazing how consistent this trading bot is. All right, and he's only been using this for like a half of like I said, he did he joined this July the 1st, and July the 1st he did 16%, and then so far this month, August, he has already done 11%, and in total growth of 29%. All right, since July the 1st. Amazing. But like I said, you have to have a minimum of $10,000 in your trading account to use this bot. All right, it's no you're not paying for the bot or anything when it comes to this. Only thing you're gonna have to do is have a minimum of $10,000 in your trading account, and you can use this trading bot. It's called high frequency trading. Okay, I have a video that's gonna explain a lot more about high frequency trading. I'm gonna leave that link in the description box below. This video it's a YouTube video, but it's called high frequency trading. Okay, it's different when it comes to these other trading bots out there, like totally different. Okay, and that's why this is consistent. This is a very unique trading style that's producing consistent results. And if you want your hands on, if you want to be able to utilize this bot and you want to grow your money, and you got $10,000 sitting around not doing anything, this is the bot that I highly recommend. I even recommend this bot over this one. All right, this high frequency trading bot has never gone over 2% in drawdown out of 3 years. This has a 3-year track record. I have a matter of fact, I'll go ahead and show you real quick. Hold on, let me. All right, I just pulled up the MambaFx book here. So look at this. This is the MambaFx book. This is proof. I'm showing you guys proof. Look at this. This is saying this has a, look at this. This has a 3-year track record. I'm going to show you the 3-year track record. It has already done over 1,000%, and never out of those 3 years went over 2% in drawdown. So if you're looking for a trading bot that doesn't go into a lot of drawdown, this is it. This bot right here, it's not even a bot. It's a software. It's a high frequency trading. It's a high frequency trading. Never went over 2% in drawdown. That's amazing. Out of 3 years, come on. You can't show me you can't show me any other bot out there that's doing better than this. I'm telling you right now. If you're into like automation, you're into trading bots and forex bots, you can't not show me any other bot trading bot out there that's doing better than this. You can't. Okay. So we're in 2022 right now, right? So far the highest month was in June, which did 17%. Okay. So far this month we're the overall is up 11%. All right, and like I said, it's just a 3-year track record, starting in September of 2020. All right, 2021, the highest I believe was 13% in 2021, and 2022, the highest month was 17%. So this year is doing pretty good. Okay, because this is the highest it ever went, 17% in game when it comes to game. Okay, today did 0.67%. This week, so far, of course, 0.67. But this month alone, we did 11%, and this year we're at 155%. And then, like I said, the drawdown is less than 2%. Less than 2%. Show me any other bot out there that has a 3-year track record that's less than 2%. You can't show me any other bot out there that's doing better than this. Okay. Now, I'm gonna show you the gold one. All right, the gold bot, the highest drawdown it went, it was 60%. But this is just going straight up to it as well. You can see it. All right. This bot right here is doing amazing. All right, it's just doing amazing. It started in April of 2022 of this year. The first one it did 74%, and it's just been doing really, really well ever since then. So if you want to try this bot out for free for 1 week, let me know in the comment section. I'll set you up with this bot. But this bot is amazing as well. But if you have $10,000, right? If you have a minimum $10,000 sitting around not making any money, then this is the bot that I recommend. This is the bot that I highly recommend. The high frequency trading bot, because it never goes over 2% out of 3 years. It never goes. And this guy deposited $1 million. You got a guy in India that deposited $600 million. You got a guy right in Miami that deposited $100 million into this high frequency trading software. So if you got those people putting that much, putting millions of dollars into this software, then that should ring a bell to you that you should also be, putting your money into this. Okay. But with that being said, I'm Andre Catnot here from West Palm Beach, Florida. If you want to learn how to scalp, go ahead and pick up MambaFx ScalpersRUs course. It's really amazing. I'm learning a lot, and then you can catch. Once you learn how to learn these patterns, these breakout patterns and stuff like that, you can scalp the market and catch these moves like this. All right. And if you want to learn more on what indicators that I'm using, just reach out to me. I'll show you the indicators that I'm using to automatically draw these trend lines for me, and watch out for these breakouts. Okay, because the indicator that I'm using is called it's a breakout indicator. So it's kind of like draw everything on my charts based on what he's teaching, what MambaFx is teaching inside of this course when it comes to the breakout patterns. Okay. So but yeah, his course is $397 one time. You can do his 3-month trial thing where you only pay $1 to $160. But guys, his course is amazing. But if you guys want to have some automation while you're learning, or you want to make money while you're learning how to scalp, now is 100 US 30, then I highly recommend getting trying out my gold bot for 1 week for free. And then also if you have 10,000 or more, I highly recommend using this bot over the gold bot, and because of the consistency, and it has a 3-year track record and it never went over 2% drawdown. Okay, so with that being said, I'm Andre Catnot here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I think I made this video too long, but I will see you. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna also leave my WhatsApp, and I'm gonna also leave my social media profiles in the description box below, so if you want to reach out to me. So see you guys on another video. Take care, y'all.